Hi, in this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram swipe reply not working. First, you need to have your own Instagram account and Instagram application. In here, go to your message, and if this not working on you, just follow my steps. Next, go to your profile down below and click these three lines above. And just select Settings. After that, choose Help and report problem without shaking. And create your own message, or you can just copy mine and paste it on Instagram. Simply click send and wait for them to make an actions regarding it. Just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.